Okay, friends, today we're going to practice blending syllables, and we have 4 lines of words like we normally do. So let's get started. Just a quick reminder, remember an open syllable is a syllable that ends in a vowel, and normally the vowel sound is long. And a closed syllable is a syllable that has a vowel sandwiched in between 2 consonants, and that vowel sound is normally short in a closed syllable. All right, so here we go. First word of the first line, basic, basic. Open syllable, bay, and then second syllable is a closed syllable, sick, so it's a short sound. Lemon, lemon, aid, lemonade. Third word is apron, 2 syllables. First syllable is open because it's just that A. And then the last word is maze. And the second part of that word, the maze part, is a long A sound because it ends in an E, right? It's A consonant E. So maze. Line number 2, entire, entire. Pilot, pilot. Binder, binder. Now, binder is an interesting word because remember, the rules in English, they apply most of the time, but not all the time. There are exceptions. So binder is one of those words that's an exception. It should be pronounced by all of our regular rules. If you look at that word, it should be pronounced binder, right? Because it's 2 syllables and that first syllable is closed, bin. So it should be binder, but it's actually pronounced binder. And the last word of line 2 is advise, advise. Line 3, open, open. Second word on line 3, hosting, hosting. Again, that word host doesn't follow the normal rules because it should be host, but it's hosting. Next word, hopeful, hopeful. Last word of line 3, suppose, suppose. Now remember, if you're dividing that word suppose up into syllables, it has 2 syllables, but you would divide it between the double P's there. Even though we say suppose, we don't say suppose, but when we're breaking the word into syllables, we would break it between the double consonants. That's that rule that we follow. And then line 4, mistake, mistake. Second word, remote, remote. That one follows our rules perfectly, right? The first syllable, re, is open, which means the vowel sound is long. And the second syllable, mote, it has the O consonant E spelling, which makes for a long O sound. The last 2 words, admire, admire. And the last word, crisis, crisis.